Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So as requested, we are going to look at some hairstyles that feature bangs within today's video. So if you have been wanting to cut some bangs within your hair, this one is for you. Bangs are of course a great way to add some texture and just add a little bit of spice overall to your hair. So here we have someone that does have layers within their hair and they're just kind of curling it. Looks like she has some beautiful, nice curtain style bangs going on. Gorgeous. So then we have someone wanting to do the bottleneck bang trend. So this is the sister of the curtain style bangs. They're usually shorter in the middle and longer on the sides than the curtain style bangs, and they are still parted down the center. So then we have someone wanting to make a bit of a hair change. So she already has some bangs. Looks like she got them cut shorter. Beautiful bob. Love the pop of undercolor she has going with the blonde. And then we have someone else with fringe style bangs. And for those who want to cut curtain bangs at home, this is actually a technique that has gone viral of how you can do that. So then we have another fringe bang haircut. So comment down below, are you thinking of getting bangs? And if you are thinking of getting them, what style would you try out? Here we have some beautiful baby bangs. She's rocking the bleached eyebrow trend. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.